Hello, plant enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the vibrant world of MUSA GRAIN NAIN, a compact and delightful banana plant that brings a tropical touch to your garden or indoor space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of plants. MUSA GRAIN NAIN Banana, also known as dwarf Brazilian or Brazilian apple banana, is a unique banana cultivar celebrated for its diminutive size and distinctive flavor. An interesting fact about this variety is its compact stature, making it an ideal choice for small gardens or container cultivation. Despite its small size, the Grain Nain banana is recognized for its sweet taste and aromatic qualities, providing a delightful tropical experience even in limited gardening spaces. While Grain Nain's bananas are predominantly cultivated for culinary purposes, bananas in general are rich in nutrients such as potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. However, specific nutrient values can vary among banana varieties. Medicinal uses of bananas traditionally include digestive benefits due to their fiber content. In the garden, Grain Nain's bananas can serve as excellent companion plants, providing shade, enhancing soil fertility through their leaf litter, and potentially deterring pests with their robust growth. Native to tropical regions, Grain Nain's bananas thrive in warm climates, and their adaptability makes them a favorite choice for both ornamental and edible landscaping. This compact banana plant thrives in well-draining soil with full sunlight. Grain Nain is relatively low maintenance and benefits from regular watering, particularly during the growing season, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. Maintaining a consistent temperature and protecting it from strong winds are crucial for its well-being. MUSA GRAIN NAIN adapts well to various settings, bringing a touch of the tropics to your garden or indoor oasis. Thank you for joining us on this botanical journey. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more delightful content. Farewell and happy gardening.